Hey guys, welcome to this video in which I'm going to share with you my favorite dividend stock you can buy in the stock market today. The company is called WestRock, and WestRock is a corrugated packaging company which is providing innovation outside of the box, which is kind of funny because they of course produce boxes. They are building better packaging experiences, and the way that they do that is by providing all kinds of company operating within a wide variety of sectors packaging solutions. And they can produce in all kinds of colors, they can produce in all kinds of forms, which is of course very attractive if you're trying to market a product. You of course also need packaging. And I think WestRock is set for a very bright future, especially since a lot of governments as of now are working on climate change plans and they want to see less plastics and they want to see more of other materials, for example more use of container board, and especially WestRock is a kind of company that is offering all these container board solutions. So let's look at the products that they are offering. They offer the solutions to a wide variety of markets, as you can see over here. We can click and see what kinds of things that they are offering for these kinds of markets. I know that, for example, WestRock is producing all the packaging for one of my favorite beers in the Netherlands, and all kinds of other beers. As you can see, I've never drank the East Coast Ale. Might be something I like. I don't know. Rigid boxes, rigid tubes, labels. They produce it all. Craft beers. You can see they can put a nice print on it. And the packages are looking very good. They can also pack your groceries. They can also make all kinds of printing enhancements on the packages. So whatever you want, just send it to WestRock and WestRock can produce it for you. Which is of course a very good position to have as a company, because all kinds of companies want to sell the products, they need packaging, and they will soon find that they will need WestRock. They also offer all kinds of automation systems. So of course, when you are running a company and you need packaging, you also need speed, because sometimes there can be a lot of demand for your product. You can see that they offer all kinds of automation innovations, so they can also do very complex packaging solutions simply by automating them by machines that they designed. Another example, they offer all kinds of promotional displays to put into the retail store, all looking very well, all very complex to make. And I think I've shown enough examples to show you that WestRock is a company that has a future. I think they're doing great, they're making great products, and I can see this company growing into the future. Now, well, let's go to the stock. If we look at the share price of WestRock, and especially the last month, we've seen the share price go down substantially, which has pushed the dividend yield up. If you buy stocks of WestRock today, you can lock in a dividend yield of 5.7%, which is substantial. And I think that WestRock is poised to produce, like James is saying, they're doing very well. And if we look at the dividend yield, it's 5.7%. The payout ratio is 75%, which is good, because if the payout ratio is below 60%, I have trusted that the company can raise the dividend for the coming time. They have been growing the dividend for the past 4 years, as we can see over here. Dividend amount has been growing. And we can also see that the dividend is safe. Actually, it is safer than, for example, 2 years ago when the payout ratio was around 70%. So the payout ratio has been reducing, declining over the past few years. So I like WestRock. I think they're a company that is poised to grow into the future, and it's one of my favorite picks as of now. I have already for my portfolio relatively big position in WestRock, but I might even add some extra shares because I think shares are starting to look very attractive as of now.